Hey growers! Welcome back to the Wormy Garden. Today we're diving into a plant that's sweet, healthy, and surprisingly easy to grow. Stevia. It's a zero-calorie natural sweetener you can grow right in your backyard, and it even helps protect your teeth from cavities. Stick around as we take you from seed to harvest, and I'll show you how to turn it into a homemade sweetener you'll love. Let's start with why stevia deserves a spot in your garden. No calories, no blood sugar spike, safe for diabetics, loaded with antioxidants. But here's the sweet bonus. It's tooth-friendly. Stevia doesn't feed the bacteria that cause cavities like sugar does. That means no acid erosion, and it may even help stop cavity-causing microbes in their tracks. Your dentist will love this plant. Start seeds indoors about 8 to 10 weeks before your last frost. Perfect timing for Zone 7 gardeners. Use a well-draining seed-starting mix. Lightly press seeds into moist soil. Don't cover them. Stevia needs light to germinate. Keep temps around 75 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. A heat mat really helps. Use a grow light or sunny window. 14 to 16 hours of light daily. Be patient. Germination takes 7 to 21 days. Once your seedlings are strong and all danger of frost has passed, transplant them outdoors. Full sun, 18 to 24 inches apart. Soil loamy, well-drained, pH 6.7 to 7.2. Add compost for extra nutrients. Stevia is low maintenance, but it loves attention. Keep the soil evenly moist. Don't let it dry out. Fertilize every 4 to 6 weeks with a gentle organic fertilizer. Pinch off the growing tips to encourage bushy growth. Remove flower buds. Leaves get bitter if the plant flowers. Harvest just before it flowers, when the leaves are sweetest, usually mid to late summer. Cut in the morning after the dew dries. Dry leaves by hanging bunches upside down in a shaded, airy spot, or use a dehydrator set to 95 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the leaves are dry, strip and crush them into a powder or keep them whole. Stored in an airtight jar in a cool, dark spot, stevia lasts up to 2 years. To use stevia, steep in tea, blend into smoothies, simmer into homemade syrup, add to baked goods. 1 teaspoon equals 1 cup sugar, but experiment. So if you want to grow your own sweetener that's not only good for your body but protects your smile too, stevia is a must plant. Drop your questions below, or let me know how you use stevia in your garden or kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more homegrown health from the Wormy Garden.